So I would humbly request the Honourable Minister of Finance, together with his colleague from Minister of Employment, to look into the matter to ensure that, as promised, Omega Arc will be taking on board all the staff of the various people employed in Aplo Hospital.
I can assure the Honourable Member that I will again look into the matter and report and see to it that, first of all, the interest of the employees are being safeguarded. I must also add that I had received a letter from the trade unions, CTSP, and I've also requested, therefore, the Permanent Secretary to look into that, all the aspects that they have mentioned in that letter. As
the House is aware, a 6 years degree of MBBS is almost worthless without being a registered doctor in an own country. There is no communication with the Ministry of Health with these students. They are just being told to wait, so they are on standby mode. So I will kindly ask the Honourable Minister to look into this case specifically and also in all the pending cases.
I'm sure the Honourable Member is aware that in the budget that we are debating in the House, there is a provision with regard to pre-reg doctors, and one of the conditions for pre-reg doctors to be allowed to proceed to do their pre-reg is an exam, an entry exam which everybody will have to sit. We are waiting for the budget to be over because there will be provisions in the law to provide for the entry exam, and this is why it's taking some time.
I have had information that the Mauritius Meat Producers Association have made a formal request. The formal request to the authorities is that two areas, Vallée des Prêtres and Richelieu, that they be quarantined as areas. My request, therefore, is that if the Honourable Minister could look into this request of the Mauritius Meat Producers Association.
With regard to the Meat Producers Association, we have set up a crisis committee. They form part of that committee, and they are expressing their views and their concerns, and we are all addressing the concerns and the views that they are expressing. So we are taking all the measures that we feel that are necessary to contain that disease. So rest assured that we are taking all the necessary precautions. And I'm glad to also inform the House that we got the results, the tests that we sent abroad to confirm the strains of the virus. It's confirmed that it's from what we call SAT1, SAT2, and 3, which is usually its origin from South Africa. And now we had already ordered 10,000 vaccines, which is coming tomorrow. We're going to straight away proceed with the vaccination campaign in Mauritius and in Rodrigues.